In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to instance and duplicate objects efficiently in Adobe Dimension. Instancing is the smartest way to create multiple versions of the same object without bloating your file. Unlike a regular duplicate, an instance is linked to the original, so material and model edits flow through to every copy. It keeps your scene lighter, renders faster, and helps you stay consistent. Start by launching Adobe Dimension on your desktop. Give it a moment to load, and make sure your workspace is visible with the viewport and the scene panel. Next, open the document you want to work on. You can use File, then Open, or simply drag your DN file into the app. Once your scene is loaded, locate the object you want to repeat. Click it directly in the viewport, or select it from the scene panel if that's easier. You'll know it's selected when the Move gizmo appears and its name highlights in the panel. Now, copy the object. Go to Edit, then Copy, or use the shortcut Ctrl+C on Windows or CMD+C on Mac OS. This places the model on your clipboard so you can create a linked version of it. To make an instance, go to Edit, then Paste as Instance, or press Ctrl+Shift+V on Windows or CMD+Shift+V on Mac OS. This creates a new copy that's linked back to the original asset. If you change the original object's geometry or materials later, every instance will update to match, while each instance keeps its own position, rotation, and scale. Repeat paste as instance as many times as you need. You can use the menu again or press the shortcut multiple times to build out a row, a grid, or a cluster of copies quickly. This is especially helpful for products, tiles, bottles, or any repeated element. With the instances created, reposition them in your scene. Use the Move gizmo. The red arrow moves along the X-axis, the green arrow moves along Y, and the blue arrow moves along Z. Drag an arrow to slide an instance precisely in one direction, or drag the small squares to move within a plane. If you need cleaner placement, zoom in for accuracy and keep an eye on ground shadows for depth cues. Remember, you're only changing the transform of each instance here. They remain linked for look and model updates. To recap, copy your chosen object, paste as instance, repeat as needed, and position each instance with the gizmo. This workflow keeps your scene efficient and your design consistent, while giving you full control over placement.